Please, I know we're used to standing when we speak.
You have told me to stand there.
My dear brother and friend, Senator Ned Woko, our real fathers, permit me to adopt all the protocols that have been observed. The youth and the socio-cultural organization represented by the President and all other persons that are here, I welcome you to my residence. I salute all of you. You have a very wonderful senator. Very good senator. He has been running from office to office, from one arm of government to the other, the presidency, everywhere you can think of, in his quest to the actualization of Anioma State. He has been walking around the clock. I've never seen or since the process of amending the constitution started, and there are agitations, several agitations for creation of states. There is no one, to my knowledge, that will be fighting so hard to get the state he wants for his people actualized, just like him. He has been doing very, very well, full of energy and determination. And I'm not surprised because he's someone that whatever he set himself out there to do, he will put all what he has to make sure that that is done. And not only done but properly. It is a period that we are looking at our constitution to make sure that there is equity, there is justice encapsulated in our constitution, so that everybody will have a sense of belonging. Everyone. Not only that, making sure that the constitution is put together in a manner that everyone will feel at home with what is contained there. And this is what we are doing now. And so we allow all agitation for local government for states to be brought before my committee. And welcome everyone that has anything to bring forward. In fact, we even organize several public hearings at the zonal levels, the national level, different forums to listen to agitations. But the idea of agitation is really very, very strong. We are bombarded every day. Everybody, everywhere is Anioma. If I'm going because of office, is Anioma. The road is Anioma. So he has made the point on your behalf. He has spoken on your behalf. There is no one, no office that has not entered to promote the creation of Anioma State. You can see the one before announcing as if I'm announcing what I'm doing at my candidacy. It is well known to me. This is my brother. We started together. We started House of God together during the starting period of the First Republic. With all the things that have been set up in the current National Assembly was done by us. We created the infrastructure, everything that is now being used to do. All the goodness, all the fundamentals of the legislative assembly, everything was started by us. So he knows the job very well, and he has been close to him, a very good friend. So I rest assured, based on his commitment, based on his fervent promotion of this agitation, based on the beauty of your presentation, because not only is he talking about it, but he has made very wonderful presentation. very wonderful presentation, and everyone is abreast with the need to create this. I can assure you, I will do everything humanly possible. Even though I am an umpire in this case, I'm the chair of the committee, but everything humanly possible to ensure that you have the support. As you know, because I'm really impressed by the quality of the kings we have here. So exposed, so grounded in public leadership. You know for a fact that to amend the Constitution involves all concerned, not only us at the National Assembly, or Senate, or House of Reps. You need the buy-in of the members of state assemblies. So it's an all-encompassing enterprise. Everyone is involved. So do not stop here. Go around the states and also talk to them. I'm sure he has been doing so. He has spoken to the president and so forth, try and meet the governors. I'm just giving you this, I'm telling you this, which you know already. So please extend your tentacles to other players in this wonderful enterprise, so that by the time we come to have the votes, it will be seamless in favor of agitation. So not come here, go to the state to see the governors and so on and so forth. But I want to assure you that I will do my best in making sure, because you are talking on behalf of your people. This is a people's project. And our intention is to make everybody happy in Nigeria. To have a country that everybody will be happy. So if you have people coming from Delta, Lanchon, from local governments from Delta, people from Edo and other parts of Ebola coming to agitate for the state, they should be supported. Because once you are happy, then a very good portion of Nigeria is happy. And that's what we want. We want every portion to be happy. So we want to make you happy, and so we'll do our best. So I thank you for coming, and I want to assure you that I'll do all my best to make sure that agitation for the creation of Anioma State is actual. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the Deputy President of Senate. And just for the records, I'd like to emphasize that the Deputy President of Senate is also one of the speakers of the ECOWAS panel, becoming the second speaker of the ECOWAS panel.